So let us see how to run the testng test using Gradle. So in the build.gradle, you can add this test section and then specify that you want to use testng. And once you are inside this use testng block, you can specify what tests you want to run. Now there are mainly two ways in which you can do that. First is using the XML files, and this is how you do it. So let's say there are two XML files that I want to run. So you have to specify suits and then s1.xml and s2.xml separated by this comma. So this is how the s1.xml looks like. Here I have specified this class that I want to run, and then in s2 I want to run this class. So that's the one way to execute tests. So this is gonna run the both XML files, the tests that are specified in those XML files. And other ways by specifying the actual classes. So you don't need to use the XML files. You can directly specify the class names or the package names as well, separated by the comma again. So this is gonna run test class 1 and test class 2. And just extra tip that if you want to execute the test classes based on certain condition or the property, you can use this syntax. So based upon, let's say, property run, if it is a, the value of this property run is a, I want to just run these tests. Otherwise I want to run test class 2. That is also possible, and this is how you can do that. So just pass that particular thing, this particular property, through the command line, and then what will happen is that it will only execute test class 1. So let us run this. So you can see that it has run the test class 1. Now let us remove that, or let us pass another value. Now it should run test class 2. You can see now it has run test class 2. Also let us run this both classes together using this syntax. Now it should run both the classes. I'm not gonna show you this suits demo because I don't recommend using XML files, because this is pretty much easier and better option to run the tests using build.gradle and testng. So you can see now test class 1 and test class 2 have run. Thank you.